So let me share with you this fascinating story, this encounter between John the Baptist and Jesus Christ. So alam naman natin that John is the forerunner. Siya yung magtuturo ultimately sa mga tao kay Kristo. Now, he is going around preaching repentance. He's telling people na magbalik loob kayo sa Panginoon. And at the same time, he's baptizing them in the Jordan River. So one day, Jesus appeared on the scene and he wants John to baptize him. But of course, if you are John, kilala mo kung sino si Jesus, you know that he is the Lord at ikaw, anong karapatan mo para ikaw ang magbautismo sa kanya? I mean, sino ka ba? Right? Siyempre, mahihiya ka at sasabihin mo kay Kristo, dapat ikaw ang magbautismo sa akin at hindi ako ang magbautismo sa iyo. Pero ito ang sabi ni Kristo. No, suffer it to be so. Now, ang ibig sabihin nito, let this happen. Let's make this happen. And you know why? For thus it becometh us to fulfill all righteousness, because it is right for us to fulfill all these righteousness requirements. Okay? Now, the thing is, ano ba tong requirement na sinasabi niya? So I think the simple explanation is this. Jesus is there to help validate John's ministry. Okay? He is there not to brag about yung kanyang pagiging anak ng Diyos. He's not trying to show that he is a VIP, no? At hindi niya pinapakita na mas mataas ang posisyon niya kay John. He goes there, he allows John to baptize him because he wants to validate yung ginagawa ni John. And why is this so important? Because by validating John's ministry, he validates his own ministry at kung sino ba talaga siya. Because you find out later on that after his baptism, the Father validates that he is indeed his Son, and the Spirit of God descends on him. So, by validating John's ministry, he validates his own ministry. Ang trabaho ni Jesus is hindi magyabang. Ang trabaho ni Jesus is to serve. He goes there to help his fellow servant John to fulfill his ministry. Now, bakit ko to pino-point out? The thing is this, kadalasan ang iniisip natin, kung gusto mong umasenso, kung gusto mong, you wanna get ahead, kailangan may tapak-tapakan ka ng mga tao. No, especially madalas to when you are in a corporate setting. Gusto mo ikaw yung sikat. Gusto mo ikaw yung tinitingala ng tao. So the tendency, yung mga taong nasa baba mo, you would treat them like, second class. No? And this is not what we are supposed to do. Ito nga yung pinapakita ni Kristo. If you want to be validated, you should also validate other people's work as well. And with that, God bless.